This iPhone 14 Pro Max is the US eSIM model without a physical SIM card. To meet the needs of customers using this phone in Shenzhen, we need to open a slot on the side of the phone to install a dual SIM card tray and modify the iPhone 14 Pro Max motherboard. Remove the two screws at the bottom of the iPhone. Inject alcohol and insert a razor blade to open the iPhone screen. After removing the metal pentalobe screws and flex cable connectors, remove the iPhone 14 Pro Max screen. Remove the speaker module. Remove the front camera module. Remove the iPhone 14 Pro Max motherboard. Use the magnet in the speaker module to collect the removed screws and metal plates in a plastic bag. To open a SIM card slot, place the iPhone metal housing in a CNC machine fixture. This video shows the full slot milling process at 5x speed with no cuts. The parameters for milling the iPhone 14 Pro Max SIM card slot have been set in the CNC machine. The CNC machine will automatically complete the entire SIM card slot milling process. This is an original unmodified iPhone 14 Pro Max motherboard. After removing the graphite film from the surface, we find a mmWave antenna. The mmWave antenna is not needed for use in Shenzhen, so we remove it. We plan to solder the dual SIM tray to the lower left corner of the motherboard, and solder a flex cable to the back. Next we will document the full process of installing the SIM tray and flex cable to the iPhone motherboard. First modify the SIM tray by bridging the two contact points. Add solder to the relevant connection points on the iPhone 14 Pro Max motherboard. Remove the insulating coating from the engineering test points needing soldering. Cutting this trace improves on the need to open up the multilayer board in earlier mods. Continue removing the insulating coating from the engineering test points to prepare for soldering the flex cable. Solder the connection points for the flex cable. Test the solder joints with a multimeter. This is the SIM tray side of the completed soldered motherboard. This is the flex cable side of the completed soldered motherboard. Apply insulating tape to the flex cable side. Apply a graphite thermal pad onto the insulating tape. First install the iPhone 14 Pro Max motherboard. Insert the SIM trays into the milled SIM slot. Install the screws. Install the front camera module, speaker module, and metal plates. Install the OLED screen, metal plates, and screws. Test the screen is working normally. Install the bottom screws. This US iPhone 14 Pro Max mod is successful, with dual SIM capability for China Telecom and China Mobile. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this was helpful.